freeze-dried meal in a jar, and it's called pasta and mushroom sauce, but I'm going to add chicken to it. So it'll be chicken. Do I want beef? I don't know if I want chicken in it, or maybe I'll do both, chicken and mushroom. Why not? Okay. Big bag in here. I don't know why. Oh, so I'm going to go with a half a cup of the pasta in each jar. And I get these on Amazon. Again, I am not sponsored. They didn't send this to me. I paid for them. Which, by the way, reminds me, I went online last night. Excuse me, and I bought, and I ordered, what did I do? A quarter cup of this? Anyway, I ordered some powdered butter and, or freeze-dried butter and some freeze-dried chicken again. And the chicken, the freeze-dried chicken, I think a year ago when I bought all this stuff, I thought I was paying a lot, and it was like $30-some for a can of freeze-dried chicken. Well, let me tell you, I got a really good deal back then. Because this order that I did for one can of chicken was like $89. Yeah. And I clicked out of it and decided, oh, I don't need it that bad. And then I clicked back onto it because this chicken is so good. Once it cooks up, you put your spices in it, put the butter on it. Yeah, I couldn't not buy it. So I'm going to put 1/3 sauce mix in each jar. Maybe if I could hit the jar, it'd be great. Oh, it's got chunks of something in there. Oh, I bet that's the mushrooms. And then, since this is the mushroom one, where's the beef? Oh, there it is. Alright. And for the beef, oh my gosh, last night I went through this phase. I just was hungry all night. And I got up and I made the chicken, freeze-dried chicken that I've got. I put it in some water, put it on the stove, started it cooking. And then I added, what did I call it? This ultimate mushroom sauce, or powder. Oh, it's good, it's good, it's good. And I added some little bit of salt, some pepper, and the mushroom sauce. And then I cooked that for about 5 minutes, medium boil. And then I added in a big glopping tablespoon of butter, and then I added in some potato flakes that I made. It was like chicken, mashed potatoes, and gravy. It was so good. Yummy. Okay, so then into this I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of the beef. So it'll be beef mushroom pasta. So I'm adding a 1/4 cup into each jar. And there it is. 4 meals just like that. And all I got to do is add hot water to it.